I'm passionate about our unique island. For the last 27 years, I've been protecting it as part of Jersey's fire and rescue service. Being part of the drone team and using cutting-edge technology to aid search and rescue is where my love of drones began. Seeing our island from a different perspective is always breathtaking. Jersey has such an incredibly rich and diverse history, and to be able to show it from the air is an absolute pleasure. My passion has led me to follow my dream and leave the fire and rescue service, which was the toughest decision of my life. Most people are fortunate to only do one job that they love doing. I've been lucky enough to have two amazing professions, and becoming a full-time creative specialising in aerial imagery is so exciting. Drone technology is incredible and is being used to help emergency services carry out tasks which would otherwise be much harder and much more dangerous. With thermal imaging camera and live mobile data at our fingertips, this technology gives emergency services a different perspective, helping save lives when every second counts. From stunning beaches to cliff-top views, castles to lighthouses, cycling to surf, we have so many incredibly picturesque locations to capture. Using social media is an important part of my ethos at Band Perspectives, and it enables me to share images of our beautiful island with followers all around the world. JT's connection is essential for those time-pressured jobs where I have to create a field office to ensure that I get my imagery off to the clients as soon as possible. The journey from emergency services to the aerial imagery world has been amazing, and I can't wait to see where this takes me next.